friends, it's Miranda here, and today is day 4 of the 25 Days of Christmas Vlogmas series. And I am sitting in front of my Christmas tree because today I got a package in the mail that I have been waiting on. So let me start off by saying I'm very glad that you came to watch the channel today, and I hope that if you are considering subscribing, that you will just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching my channel and this video again. Alright, so let's get on with it. Yes, today is Stitch Fix Day, finally. I have been waiting for this package to come, and it was a little bit delayed, I think, because of weather. So I'm just going to slice open this box here and get on with it. Now, I've been asking for some warm clothes, so I'm hoping that today is the day I get them. Alrighty, so that's what it looks like when I open it. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a style subscription box, and it is one of my favorites. I haven't gotten that 5 for 5 yet, but it is still one of my favorites, and I will put the link down in the description for you. If you want to try Stitch Fix, you will get a $25 credit, and then I will also get $25 as well. So it does come with a prepaid mailer, so you do not have to pay for it to come or to send it back. You just pay your $20 styling fee. Alright, then you have your little envelope here with the invoice. Of course, I'm not going to look at that right now. And, yeah, if this one is a 5 for 5, it's probably going to be part of my Christmas present from the husband. Alright, so let's see what the stylist says. Alright, hey there Miranda, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and you're looking forward to this fix. Starting things off is the wonderful Wilco solid quilted vest in navy from Market and Spruce with functional pockets and rose gold hardware that will layer perfectly with the Talia button down top in navy and blue plaid from Cloth and Stone. This has a super soft brushed fabrication that is casual and great for everyday wear. Next, you will see the Kristen fleece leggings, which I'd been asking for some leggings, in black that I hope you love as much as I think you will. These have a higher rise and a 26-inch inseam that I'm hoping will fit you well. Let me know. The Cadella waffle stitch button detail cotton blend pullover in dark green is the perfect addition to your cold weather wardrobe. Enjoy, Jen. So Jen has been my stylist ever since I started, and this is actually box 6. So let's see what the bundle looks like, and we're going to probably push that box over there, and the puppy is going to chew on it. Alright, so this is what the bundle looks like. I'll turn it around again. Yes, ma'am. There we go. Ma'am, let's tear into this. Let's go. Yes, puppy. Hi, Yukon. My Weimaraner. He's like, yes. Give me some loving. All right. And then my other puppy, she's back there. She is enjoying the box. So, pretty cool. All right, I'm hoping I can be down there. Do you want the paper? You want the paper? There you go. She's tearing up the paper. That is probably extremely loud. Let's see if I can turn you around and let you look at her. So there she is. That is Willow, and she's brand new puppy to us. She is a blue tick beagle. Pocket beagle. And she's cute, and we love her. Alright. So we'll sit you back down there and get into this. Alright. This is extremely soft. She is right Hot diggity dog. Alright, so there you go. Blue plaid. Extremely soft fabric. Hot, yes. Okay, then this one is the dark green Market and Spruce pullover sweater. So another, she sends me a lot of olive. And I like olive, but probably if I keep this one, it might be the last olive shirt that I keep for a while because I'm starting to get a lot of it. But anyways, this is the Market and Spruce vest that she sent me, quilted, and it has the rose gold detail there. Really pretty. That is going to be warm. Alrighty. Then my black leggings here. So she said these were a higher rise, so those will probably work good. They are really thick, so I'm happy about that. And then the Prosperity jeans. I'm sure they're skinny because that's what I wear. Lena released him super skinny jean in a size 12 petite. So that's the jeans. Great color, like those. And then they have this frayed hem, which I like the frayed hem. I think they're cute. It's, you know, just a raw edge there. Alrighty. So let's see what everything looks like. I'll be right back. I'll probably, when I turn this off, I guess I'll have to see what the time is because I do have to go to work. So I may not do the try-on until I get home tonight. So then we'll, I'll show you what's going on in here, but I'll be back. For you, I'll be right back. All right, the first outfit that I have for the try-on today, this is actually the second day of doing the Stitch Fix video. I just did not get home in time last night to do the filming. So anyways, I put on the Prosperity jeans, and I love these jeans. They are really soft. They have the raw hem here, raw edge hem, so that's pretty cool. And they are really soft. They're not a jegging, they are a legging, but they're a really soft legging, or jegging, jeans. I will get it right at some point. All right, that's what happens when you work a lot of hours. You get tired and you cannot speak. All right, so they're by Prosperity. Then I have on the Market and Spruce sweater. They have these green elbow patches here. I have seen this this sweater. I think I've picked it up a couple of times this morning and just now noticed that it has green elbow patches. So that's pretty cool. But it is just your basic sweater. I feel like I have a lot of green. Maybe I don't, but I still feel like I do. I just hit that. So I don't know, maybe because they've sent me a pair of olive green pants, and then, which I bought, and then they sent me a green shirt, which I bought. So this is like would be like my third green sweater, shirt, whatever. All right, but it is comfortable and it's not itchy or anything like that. It's just a great shirt, and I love the jeans. All right, I will be right back for the second outfit in the try-on. Okay, so I kept on these Prosperity jeans and put on the Market and Spruce vest. It is quilted, and I like it. I feel like the pockets are a little high maybe, but that might just be me. And then that's the back of it. Some places it's a little tight. I feel like not standing up, but I kind of sat, and I don't know, like up here in the chest area, but I'm not going to worry about that. And then it has this rose gold hardware, so that's a nice detail. I just love a good vest. It's not too hot, and they're just comfy. So I don't like to wear a big bulky coat, especially driving. Like, I can't stand to feel like I'm confined. So a vest is great for that. Alrighty. So the next thing I did, I just took off the blue vest and kept on this plaid shirt by Cloth & Stone. It is buttery soft, you guys. It is a really great quality shirt, and it feels really nice on your body, on your skin. Couple things about it. The arms are a little long, but you know, I'm a petite sized person, so you know, that's the way it is. I don't have very long arms. It does have the roll tab sleeves so that you can button it up here and roll it up a little bit. It has 2 pockets. I'm not really sure how I feel about it having 2 pockets, but something about the pockets. So if you watch Georgia Sunshine, she was talking the other day on her Mix and Matchbox video about how the pockets were different, a different pattern, or the pocket was a different pattern. And I got the same shirt and I didn't notice that, and I've never really paid attention to whether the pockets on a plaid shirt were a different pattern. So I did on this one, and they are. So pockets, 2 of them. I guess I don't know. How do you feel about that? I think it's a little strange. I don't know. Something else about it is it has buttons back here. So I'm going to back up and show you. So it has buttons. I would never, I can't even try to unbutton it. Yeah, so it has buttons in the back, which, you know, I don't like the shirts that I've gotten them before where they've been that open, you know, back slit, and I did not care for it. So, what do you think? Is $88, that's what this shirt cost, is it worth it? Have I ever paid $88? Would I pay $88? I don't know. I don't know for this one if I would. But let me know in the comments what you think. Is it just totally worth it? And do I have a 5 for 5 Stitch Fix box? Let me know. All right. The last thing I have to try on is the black leggings, so I will be right back with those. All right. The last item is the black MTLA leggings for $28. They are high-waisted, really comfortable, and fleece lined. So great pair. If you need a great pair of black leggings, they're really soft. And they're a little big on me. They do bunch up down here at the ankles, but when I put on my bare paw boots, they're still smooth up here, so that makes it okay. And I just put on a comfy little sweatshirt here to go with them that I got from, it's a monogram shirt from the I Love Jewelry swag bag for October. All right, so black leggings, $28. Love them. They, I might actually request another pair next month. Alrighty, I'm going to go put on the clothes that I'm going to wear to work, and I'll come back and do a quick recap with you. All right, I'll be right back. Quick recap. I do know that I'm keeping these black leggings because I already wore them to work, so of course those are going to be mine. Can't take those back. I really love the jeans, so let me know how you thought the jeans looked on me. $78. Yeah, if I didn't say these were $28, my up in the air item is this shirt for $88 by Cloth & Stone. I love the feel of it. I don't know how I feel about the 2 pockets. Let me know about that. And the fact that it had these buttons. I would never unbutton these. I don't like the slit in the back unbuttoned. I've had them in other shirts. Also, the green Market and Spruce sweater. Let me know how you felt about that for $68. And the other item that I'm keeping, that I know that I'm keeping, is the blue vest that I requested, and she sent me with the rose gold hardware for 68 bucks. So I know that I love the jeans, the vest, and the leggings. So let me know if you think I should keep them. All right. So I am almost at 50 subscribers. So that is my Christmas wish, to get to that 50 subscriber mark. If you are thinking about subscribing to the channel, please, I hope you will. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you coming back and watching all of the videos. Stay tuned for other videos in the 25 Days of Christmas Vlogmas series. A lot of cool stuff I'm going to be doing and talking about. At some point, I'm hoping during this series, I'll have a wantable box that I haven't tried yet. And a trunk club, maybe. All right, so lots of stuff. I love doing all these unboxings. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, follow me on Instagram. Let's get my Instagram up and see my stories that are going on over there. Alrighty, for my son's 13 is my Instagram channel. Alrighty, I'll see y'all later. You have a wonderful day. Bye.